Today we are starting new chapter in cell structure and functions, that is biomolecules. The term biomolecules tells us bio means living system. Living system. Molecules means, so in living system molecules are present. That molecules are called as biomolecules. These molecules are generally perform various functions in living system. So molecules are perform various functions in living system. These molecules are mainly, so many biomolecules are present in the living system, that is called cellular pool. So molecules present in cell to perform many functions, that is called cellular pool. Cellular pool means many molecules which are present in the cell to perform various activities or various functions. So that is called cellular pool. So molecules are mainly two types. Macromolecules and micromolecules. Micro and macro. These macromolecules generally carbohydrates, next to proteins, next to fats, polysaccharides. Polysaccharides means cellulose, glycogen and chitin. Next to nucleic acids, nothing but DNA and RNA, DNA plus RNA. So these are all polysaccharides. These are all different types of macromolecules. Next, micromolecules, minerals, mineral ions. Minerals and mineral ions, they are under comes into micromolecules. So about 17 minerals essential in plant body. 17 minerals are essential in plant body and 24 minerals essential in, that is the animal body. In animals 24 minerals are essential and plant body 17 minerals are essential, that is micro and macromolecules. So common thing is, in living system many molecules are present. These molecules are perform various functions. Next, inside of the cell many molecules are present, they are perform many functions, they are called cellular pool. Molecules are mainly two types, macromolecules, micromolecules. Macromolecules like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, polysaccharides and nucleic acids are the example for macro. And micro, they are minerals and mineral ions and as well as water. Mineral ions and water, these are the examples for minerals, micromolecules. 17 minerals are essential in plant body and 24 minerals are essential in animal body. Next, how can we identify either micromolecule or macromolecule? Next, how can we identify it is a macromolecule or micromolecule? First of all, we have to take living tissue and grind with trichloroacetic acid, we get a mixture. Then that mixture we have to filter in by the filter in the test tube we will get two fractions. So first of all, take living tissue. We will take living tissue. That living tissue grind with trichloroacetic acid. So then we will get mixture of living tissue and trichloroacetic acid. First of all, take living tissue, grind with, that is the trichloroacetic acid. Then we will get mixture of this both. That mixture we have to filter by the using filter in test tube. So this is the test tube. This is the funnel. This is the funnel, and this mixture we have to pour in this funnel. This mixture pour in this funnel, we will get two fractions. One fraction is inside. So some substances, some of the particles, they are enters into the test tube, and some are arrested outside only. Those molecules are enters into inside. From the outside to inside in the mixture, they are called acid soluble substances. Those are not filtered by the this filtering process, that is called acid insoluble substances. Why? Because so these acid insoluble substances are macromolecules. These are mainly macromolecules. Which type of macromolecules? Biomacromolecules, which are easily to filtered out. They are biomacromolecules. Biomacromolecules are arrested outside because of they have high molecular weight. Biomicromolecules, these are dissolved inside. They are easy to extract. That is why they are called biomacromolecules. And acid soluble substances, because they have less molecular weight. They have high molecular weight, less molecular weight. So these have high molecular weight. Here less molecular weight. There is a common difference. These biomacromolecules are not dissolved in this trichloroacetic acid. So these are not dissolved in, that is a trichloroacetic acid. These are completely dissolved in trichloroacetic acid. Completely dissolved in trichloroacetic acid. These substances, they are not completely dissolved. These substances are completely dissolved in trichloroacetic acid. Example. Proteins. Next, fats. Proteins, fats, polysaccharides. Like polysaccharides means cellulose. Next, glycogen, chitin. These three, not only these three, many is there. So polysaccharides, cellulose, glycogen, chitin. These are. Next, polysaccharides, cellulose, glycogen and chitin. Next, nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. These are, they have high molecular weight. Molecular weight is 10,000 above Daltons. 10,000 above Daltons. This example of biomicromolecules are, that is the fats, next to amino acids, next to monosaccharides, so fats, amino acids and monosaccharides, these are the examples for, that is biomicromolecules. Molecular weight is 18 to 800 or 1000 Daltons. 800 Daltons. So why we taken the fats in two times? So fats have the molecular weight is 800 Daltons. So according to molecular weight, classification of molecular weight, so we are kept in micro, because of up to 800 means these fats are under comes into micro. Why we kept in this macro? Because these lipids are not dissolved in, that is a trichloroester acid. Lipids are not dissolved in trichloroester acid. Lipids or fats not dissolved in trichloroester acid. That fat fractions or lipid fractions are, they are arrested above, they arrested outside only. Lipid substances or fat substances, they are arrested outside only, that's why we are kept in, that is a high molecule, what is that, less molecular weight, but we are kept in above nature. When we mixed with trichloroester acid, these fractions are, they are like a vesicles are formed, that vesicles are not enters into inside, so that vesicles are arrested outside only, that's why they are under comes into biomacromolecules. According to molecular weight, they are micromolecules. That is difference between both. In next class we are starting with that is monosaccharides.